Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. We have come to this local village where Iwada is helping with food to the local community. I'm being guided by this lovely auntie who is instructing me how to help prepare the food. Inshallah, shortly we will be feeding the local community who is coming to join us. The fire is very hot, but the food inshallah will be very tasty. For those who have donated generously to allow for these meals, may Allah bless you all abundantly. If you would like to help facilitate meals in the month of Ramadan and beyond, do join us and Iwada so we can supply this community with very necessary food, bi'idhnillah. So alhamdulillah, we've just been distributing the food to the different families sitting together. They've come from afar. Many of them have not eaten this meat in perhaps over a year or two. So this is a treat for them, but alhamdulillah, it's a form of sustenance. They will get the energy and they can continue their labor as well. Today they have been given camel meat by a very generous donor from the UK. Alhamdulillah, they have been supporting Iwada. My brothers and sisters, this food is due today, this food is due in the month of Ramadan and beyond that as well. We can facilitate this regularly, inshallah. So if you, my brothers and sisters, would like to feed the hundreds here, one plate you saw fed 9 people. If you can feed many more people like this, we will have a very strong community here, bi'idhnillah. Please donate generously, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, as you saw the food we were cooking, it is ready now. The brothers are all eating. And alhamdulillah, you see the big smiles on their faces. They've been working so hard all day. They've not had such a big meal in a long time. The generosity of our viewers has helped accommodate this food. Many, many brothers and sisters all enjoying, alhamdulillah. In this month of Ramadan, you can facilitate food for these communities every single day. It only costs a very little, but you see how many more you will benefit, alhamdulillah. They will be able to, Iwada on the ground, support these families. You, inshallah, donate generously. Let's ask them. انتظر كورد. الحمد لله الحمد لله